cinta Indonesia Raya, merdeka, merdeka, hiduplah Indonesia Raya.
Who has led us from the darkness to the brightness, from the stupidity to the cleverness.
Ladies and gentlemen, now I'm Amrullah Maulana as Master of Ceremony and my partner
I'm Putau Nurizia as Mistress of Ceremony, and now we would like to read our agenda this evening.
First agenda is evening.
Second agenda is reciting of Holy Quran.
Next section is sing the national anthem Indonesia Raya, march and hymn of State Islamic University of Raden Patah, Palembang.
And then some speech by some speakers.
And next performance.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.